How to change Instagram password without knowing current password. First of all, open Instagram and then make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then once you are on this profile feed of your account, tap on three-line menu icon or three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll get access to the settings and activity page. So in order to change your Instagram password, go to account center, which is under your account. And then under account settings, tap on password and security. Then here at the top you will find the option of change password, and tap on it and choose your Instagram account that you want to change the Instagram password of. Here you can simply tap on forget your password link. As you can see that the email has been sent by Instagram to our email, so let's open it. So here we have got our reset password mail, so let's tap on reset password button. Now we have successfully access to this page where you can create a strong password. We can tap on new password box and easily enter the new password, and again tap on the new password again and you can enter the new password twice. Then after that you can tap on reset password and easily change Instagram password without knowing the current password. So that is how we successfully solve the problem of not knowing current password and changing the Instagram password without knowing it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.